Previous session, we have discussed about Node.js project template creation and sample API and HTTP methods. Okay. Now we will discuss about validations and response classes, exception handling. Okay. And how to write basic APIs. Before that, we will discuss about DB connection. So for integrating with the PostgreSQL, what are the required parameters are there? So how do you write the logic for that? So all those things we will discuss. First of all, we'll discuss about validations, response classes, exception handling. This is about our API. So here, see, I am getting response request. I am using post method and I am getting the request employee number, employee name. Okay, in body. So I want to put the validations for this. Like if you pass nothing to the employee number, then it has to send the message. Okay. So like it has to return the message. So how do you write the logic? Here, if body dot employee number, then res dot send. So send, this method is used to send the response. Okay. And here status 201 and message is employee number is required or mandatory. Whatever you want, you can. Okay. And else block. Just I'm taking this. If the employee number is not passed, then I will give the message like employee number is required. Okay. We will check whether it will work or not.
Really, status code should be something for 400 for XX something.
Yeah. So this type of error message status code, so you can send it 400. So generally I used to write 400 in catch block. So this kind of validations I used to write 201. So whatever you want, you can. Okay. 200 success. So here for getting clarity, I'm not passing anything. I'm passing only body. Okay, request object in body. So just remove this. Success. So if I am passing nothing here, yes, empty. See, employee number is required. Like that, you can have same thing for employee name also. So for that, write if else. Okay. E-name. So what is the difference between if and else if means? See, you can write if also like this also. But what will happen means, suppose if control goes to this section, if block, if it is not satisfied, or if it is satisfied, then it will go to this if block. Even though it is satisfied, it will go to this block. Again, control check for this condition. Okay. So, but here you are using res.send. Once this statement is executed, then control does not goes to next statement. Okay. Immediately it will return the response. But better to use, whenever you are using if statements in these types of multiple if statements, then better to use else if. Okay. That means if condition is satisfied, then it will go to this block. It will not even check this if else if block condition also. Okay. So here I am passing employee number, but I am not passing employee name. The employee name is required. The employee name is required. Okay. So here I am giving directly response like status is 201, message is employee number is required. Okay. Imagine that this employee number, employee name related APIs, like hundreds of APIs are there. Okay. So in each and every API, you put validations like if employee number is not passed, then employee number is required. Employee name is not passed, employee name is required. Okay. This type of validations is you have mentioned in each and every API. Okay. And suppose the end user or client does not want this kind of error message, employee number is required. He wants employee number is mandatory. Then if you put this kind of validation in one or two APIs, then it is easy to change. But if you put this type of validations in hundreds of APIs or tens of APIs, multiple APIs, more than 10 APIs, then it is difficult to change that error message, validation message. Okay. So it will take time. So that's why better to have this type of messages in a one.ts folder, and then assign this message to one variable in one.ts folder for file, and take that variable and you can use in wherever you want. So that if you change the in that .ts file, then it will applicable to all APIs. Okay. So I will do that. So here I am taking utils folder. In this error message.ts file. Okay. So here I am taking one variable constant emp number, and take this message, put it here. Same thing I am taking for employee name also, emp name. Okay. And take these variables. So export means from this file it is ready to export. Okay. Wherever you want, you can just import that variable. Okay. Simply if you write like this, then it will automatically populated. Then select it. See here that variable will be imported. Okay, this path, no need to type all those things. Just take that variable name. Okay, see again, emp name. So if you press enter, then automatically it will import. Okay, like this. Okay. See. Employee name is required. So here again, suppose I am writing like mandatory. So this is called dynamic approach. In order to give the error message statically, so just give the error message in for to the variable and put it in one .ts file and use export keyword so that it can be exported to anywhere, and just use that variable wherever you want. Automatically it will be imported. Okay, see, mandatory. Okay, so this is for validating the error messages. So how to put the validations, okay, and how to give the error messages, just I have discussed. Okay, so apart from this, you can have multiple validations, like mobile number should be 10 digits only, and employee name should not have alpha numbers. Okay, so these kind of error messages, you can write your own logic. Okay, some npms are also will be there for validating that kind of messages, so you can use that npm also. Okay, and now here one more scenario.